Because of their dark, deep areas, many homeowners find it difficult to organize pantry and kitchen cabinets. However, this problem can easily be resolved by adding pull-out shelves. Such shelves are custom-made to be installed without modifying the cabinet itself. Designed specifically to provide access to kitchen or pantry cabinets, pull-out shelves have been around for many decades. If you are shopping for pull-out shelves, remember these two things. Check the quality of construction of the shelf, the supported weight and capacity of the shelf. Usually, a shelf with a rating of 75 to 50 is perfect for cutlery but may break when filled with pots, pans, etc. If you are looking for a reliable source to buy pull-out shelves, look no further than Slide Out Shelves LLC. All of our pull-out shelves have the adjustable pilaster system that can easily be adjusted for any height, making it ideal for most cabinets. For shopping and details, contact us today, 866-374-3583, or visit www.slideoutshelvesllc.com.